is no assurance according to them. Say, and publicly, the lady who's in charge of telcos said, say, it is not a guarantee. Says, send money, become.
Ebusian for aha Ghana 70 VGH. Message or like, comment, subscribing, turn on notification also, so that anytime you post a video, we say we are share no. Usameke be Ebusian for your friend the voice. Stubborn Academy, and the president. Sanyo Mugai, as a medical net 2 year. Utie news where we are. Now I could bo amount now wasabi, because you see, there is a popular saying in Ewe. Nse mbebre muti Ewe, but that saying Ewe as I was showing Sumusa. You say, Egbo Kenya Michi. Be yo gbo me blendi. Ya nto o blenui. Ya e blenda kanya. To wait. The sheep that actually tries to swell his community with his feces, the watery one, has forgotten that before anything, its tail is also covering its anus. So the tail will suffer more than the ground that it is trying to swell. And that's St. George's story. St. George not named that say a minister. Because no name say the way Akufo-Addo Bawumia were governing there, Ghana for be twice so. You break it 8 no. And now kwasia, sorry for my choice of word. Kafra Sebi. Na kwasia argument bia, kwasia propaganda bia na jinim. Ebra esla usu beka say yen register your SIM cards no. St. George na ono no wo communications committee so or parliament o. Ti na onim no ase no ranking member kra. No onim de ekosu. Obaba boti beka say ema obi anko register. St. George no. To the extent say oni Honorable Eric Agbana. Say onu so ye MP no. Na omuto nyom edi asanye na say stubborn academy. Show me your particular. Stubborn academy. Omuto nyom no nyina akiri no. Na omu de omafa echi. Akọ register omu Sims. Na Ghana for do a NDC for a. Omu so omu ntimi dwemo omu ho. Say assembly see and say the policies be ba. Ese say omu tie free asedun ketia. Ase St. George omu ti command asa no makoye. Say omu ye robot to mintimi kire. They were left to their fate when the time came. And next St. George baba ka say ye re-registration. Akosha media ebusanfo media St. George akosha no so appalling. So appalling. Nothing sensible said ebusanfo. Nothing sensible. Obe waste media for no time keke. Ubisa media for bebre amuko ina. Obi akase obe waste some time. And let's go and listen to even what journalists are saying. They say Emi say journalists for more na sorry. Telcos for kase. Adia we see fraud into na we registration we no. Enfa embua enti tobo. Na omu telcos angasa. Omu tina se na omu ye technical team na omu dwin. Because to for na omu nim djuma no e communications ministry honuma okoye wapa momo nyina. Wapa momo. Enti registration na person be ye biom no. A waste of time. I never soon tia St. George. Aden, ahuma so be create anything tiny bi, a funny bi. Oh. Ni go for my high. Pram for my high, papa. Na mu ni obi a wo ho a obeje mu MP. Prampramfo. Mu ni obi a wo. We nkwa na betina ya MP e oni go prampram wo. O de musu de. Ah. Mu de enko tie journalist no by before we ko ho no. Pa mu cho. Yes studio. Nyandu bibia as in the contribution or the donations. That's the right word. Nyandu bibia. Na ba there was screen I say, why? Kito abianso. Ne owo bia. One day you bedru. Edamase. Now let's listen to this Sumpa Sumpa FM. It's a TV journalist. I'll see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere. Cheers.
Charge of Communication and Technology. Era Sam George. Enra engage stakeholders and the media. Na nani na ye SIM card registration from opposition. Yes, yeah, that's true. Opposition. Menim say no crack on His Excellency John Dramani Mahama who said Sam George Betimaye, Minister for Communication. Enti yatam ni kosi ho. So Kaya, I quite remember in a certain video na Sam George Adam Mabana is also a member of parliament now. And then other people are no mukahu. Now that time Mami Aslausu and an minister for communications. Now media house in Bebre a bensi asamayana ne kai umude. Because
Sumpa FM.
You to me I the operating in our National Communication Authority. But no cross some woman say every minister is not above the people. We are here to deliver our mandate. The yani the any bia yabeka no matter what. Now in that said video, Sam George Mukaso Munya registration, no, SIM card registration, they are not going to do. But actually, no Munya from one register. That's the hypocrisy of politicians. Those people in the video, Busa say, almost similar Chrome, no, or man register now. All of them are registered Muslim. But in that sad video, now we catch a Ghana for some year register because someone soon register. And from day one, SIM card registration shares here under MPP. Under Sam George, some couple of people, Nedia now with the from pa. Edia no mu from your stubborn academy. No mu say omun register. Because say omun se process na ekoso no for whatever reason best known to them. And so say we eche no ma fa ho akwa registration. Okay. As if that is not enough. They campaign mu didi nkomo chastise that time as low so or no that time no so or a minister o kan hwe kire na onti that time ma me as low so or a minister o kan bibia kire na no onu zo onti ono so stubborn sa homa so sa na as low so di efiri so oni aban ni nyina efiri so one of the stubborn ministers ahoma so chenchereche e wa MPP abem na as low so I had a personal encounter with them on phone. So I know what I'm talking about. Even during their times, there no more opposition, you know. I mean, I judge people by their work. Not only their character. But any probably, you know, of course, directly or indirectly, their work, their character will have influence on their work. Minister of Communication, hono. Stubborn and arrogant people, I don't know why. Jania hand tiny go for omunti afutu. Anya
Sumpa FM.
At least during MPP, the recent MPP and the current NDC. Jania humaso. On the telcos for ni bidin koma. During my early days as a young man, I had the privilege to work with one of the biggest telcos on some contracts and other things. So sometimes only bimudim komwa. These are people who are technical people. Technical people. They are not politicians. They are technical people. Almost that is what they do for life. And some of them will confide in you and tell you, say, Satan, you may be on a slow suya. Kenyan see a bedroom dear. And some also will confide in you currently and tell you, say, and yama air in this current dispensation. Ministry of Communication, Sam George Adan. There is no assurance, according to them. Forward is kakra. There is no assurance.
And so once and I seen him near no petrol nice in Israel and Iran war a year 9,000 miles away. And they know not to ever be affected. And no to ever be affected. I'm on there. Diesel price, diesel is 16.23. Minimum are they're by the same bomb be able to cash one you. And I won't be able to crack. What is a bomb be able to tamale? Yentihana, your papa president John Dramani Mahama. But catch a Ghana for say Russia and Ukraine war ya or queen say I could for the catches and no affect the economy number your full price that cost what? If it's a Russian and Ukraine, no quite net them only 7,000. Well, my country, it can never affect the economy. Maybe so. Russia, Israel, ni Iran, any dim. I shan't read your Macasa Bombia at all. And that's a greater Accra, or Macasa Bombia at all. In the Abana saying they affect the economy and they must see a multi. Your full price, no, your two. I'm on the diesel and another danko for the one fish walk. Now you're 14 Ghana cedis no, and then why ya am not change so. I'm gonna do 16 cedis. Yeah, change on because our two is forcing. Our two is forcing the hand in yan womb. As our two be force ya. Yeah, in your hand, we say baby a full on the price near column. Our two forcing and some back to 10 cedis. Near who say our two is forcing. Now send I walk on the man she in see ya no because she in see na or more years say and no the young she or more no more the Ghana secretary the 10 billion. I could share your dollar anymore. Sebi nema na na donate Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bami ahyehyɛ to ho naturally enka dollar na so bete true gold purchase any gold for oil you to me from 8 tons of gold you to me konya 30 tons of gold ene you gold naka 18 tons NDC for na ye nchindi no ene enka mutna asidin na nkomo ye ma economy ni ye nka dollar na nka se bete aba ye mo ho ka mo ho ka ewie ama sisi economy no so ye hu so sisi diesel yakosui transport for babe to fame because as a matter of fact diesel that was who say tier 1 Ghana cedis it was D levy who be say tier D levy husika who wie ama ya to transport here to transport maka who say duane so so ye betutum already na nka say duane no bo kwa ye hu so ni ye san betutum let just say it tells you say economy na nka no whenever there is a fight in the foreign countries a kind. This has vindicated Nana Dudanko for wherever he is. A radia in free and try and this for chatone so or a radia in free so. If it's a neck, you expose and this in John Dramani, I expose no. I'm going to name trouble church the Ghana for. I mean, say, Nadia, sir, maybe a poor. It may affect the economy.